Hey y'all, how you doing? Okay, I want to do something really stupid and daring. You know, some of you like when people sneeze because it's kind of funny. Because sometimes when they sneeze, if they sneeze too hard, they fart or they shart or whatever. Or they make weird faces and sometimes it sounds like they're trying to sing a tune when they're like. Well, I decided that I'm gonna see if this eating some raw onion will make me sneeze. I don't know if it will or not. I'm just gonna try it. I had a little piece, and all it did was it got in my nose, the fumes, and then it also went into my I breathed in fumes, like onion fumes. I was like, but I didn't feel like sneezing at that time. But I'm. Let me know if you're getting dizzy. Oh, I've been wearing this lip mask. I finally got myself a lip mask. But it's like an overnight lip mask, but you can wear it as a lip moisturizer during the day. And let me tell you, even though it's literally soaked into my skin, into my lips, especially my upper, my lower has, because I tend to pick, it's, kind of, sore. You can see there's boobs. But it's not like dry and like where if I smile, I can smile without bleeding. That's cool. But my skin must be really, really dry because it's just eating the lip mask up. So, anyways, bon appetities. Just kidding, bon appetit. Oh yeah, I feel it. Okay, so as I was breathing, even through my mouth, it was like going into my lungs, like the fumes. Like, what? Not only when I breathed in my mouth. Wait, what? Woo! Okay, so it did make me sneeze. Eating onions make me sneeze. Okay, they don't just make me cry. I mean, you don't just choke me. Oh my lord! Because all I did was, as I was chewing, I would go breathe in, and there was like it released something, and it was in my lungs. It was like burning and hurt. Maybe help my sinuses. Oh my lord.